Hi there, Plantgirl here. I wanted to show you a new composter that I picked up the other day. A lot of people aren't sure about composters, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to see how one goes together. When you get it, usually it'll come flat packed in a box. So let's see what's inside and see what it takes to put it together. Okay, so I got it all unpacked, and there's really not a lot to these. They're all somewhat similar. This one has a little bit different lid than others that I've built before, but they usually pretty much snap or bolt together pretty easily. So this one is a square one, so it comes with two side pieces, and the other sides both have a door that you should be able to open and close to get your compost out the bottom. Some come with one side, some don't come with any, so it's something to look for if you're interested. And I picked this one because it had a little bit bigger opening at the bottom. Some of them are quite small, so hoping I should be able to get a good scoop in and out of there so it doesn't take all day to empty it. And then the lid pieces come in two halves. This one is supposed to go together and it's supposed to have like a locking mechanism that goes in place to help keep raccoons and squirrels and other rodents out of your bin. We don't really have a lot of that type of rodent here. It's more the little mousy kind, but I'm not real concerned about it. I find if you're keeping it turned and keeping it moist, the little guys don't like to live in there, and like I said, we don't really have the raccoons, so that's not a problem for me. And we also don't have bears. That's something to consider if you want to have a composter, is if you have bears, you have to check with your local municipality and see if you're allowed to have a composter and what precautions you need to take if you are. So I'm going to put this together and then I'll show you when it's all done. So there's the bin. It looks like it's fairly sturdy. Locks work like they're supposed to. All lines up. These doors slide on and off so you can get your compost in and out. So come on back next time and see how I fill this up and get myself a steady supply of compost throughout the summer. See you next time.